Guys, when you sign up to this website, HemSmall, by clicking the first link in the description box of this video, you will definitely land on the registration page. You continue with the registration, complete it immediately and get signed up. So on this home page right here, you're gonna see when you click mine icon right here down below here, you're gonna see your balance. When you sign up here, you are giving 17 USDT. You are giving 17 USDT, and the minimum you can fund here is 3 USDT, guys. 3 USDT. So you fund your account and perform tasks and make money instantly. So right here, I have 20 USDT already, and I've earned money from this site already. So what I'm going to do right now in this site is to perform a task. The VIP1, which is my current package, and I'm gonna click here on this home page right here to perform this task right now. So when you click on this, you'll be taken to a new page. Network is a little slow, but I'll definitely continue with what I'm doing. So when you click on this, you'll be taken to the next page where you perform the task, and it is actually loading right now. So on this very page now, what I'm gonna do here is to select any of these tasks and perform and cash out instantly, guys. So right here now, I'm gonna click on submit. Payment successful. As you can see, payment successful. Okay, so if I should click on the next one again, I don't think I'll be able to perform another task, but let's see. Okay, payment successful again. Okay, now guys, let's go to the home page right now. I've actually I do perform tasks in so many websites and all that. So some look similar and all that. So at times it will look like as if it will look appear as if it's getting confusing or something. So going back to my balance, you're gonna see my balance right now on the mine icon, and you're gonna see that the balance has actually increased. My network is a little slow, and that's why it's delaying the process. Okay, now it has actually opened. So right now on this page, if I refresh my page, you're gonna see my balance has actually increased. Okay, now you can see now, guys, 20.50. 20.50. So that is the benefits I've actually earned from the task I just performed right now. So guys, I'm gonna be placing a live withdrawal. Right now before I show you guys other things I want to show you in this video. So to place my live withdrawal on this same page, I'm gonna click on withdrawal. Now after clicking on withdrawal, I input the amount I want to withdraw, which is 0.5. Then input the password. Now having done this, I now go ahead and select my withdrawal method. Remember, if you are doing this for the first time, you will be asked to bind your wallet address. So as you can see right here, I've already binded my wallet address. So if you are doing this for the first time, you follow the instructions. When you click on withdrawal, you'll be asked to bind your wallet address. So just follow the instructions. It's quite simple. Follow the on-screen instructions and bind your wallet address. You just go to your crypto wallet and copy your address and come here and paste it, follow the instructions and do that. Now after doing that, you now be able to request for withdrawal. For me, that I've already binded my own, so I go ahead now and click on submit. Application for withdrawal successful, guys. So right now I've actually placed my withdrawal, and in the next 2 to 3 minutes my money should reflect in Binance. So guys, to fund your account into the site, you have to recharge first. And to do that, you just click on recharge on the same home page. I actually refreshed my page, and that is why it's kind of blank right now. So guys, I want to show you guys a few more things right now. So to recharge your account, you have to click on recharge right here on this same page, or on the home page. You just click on recharge. Just beside the withdrawal, you click on recharge, and you'll be able to copy your wallet address, your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Now what you just do here is to tap on this copy to have it copied to your clipboard, and now you can see it's copied. I now go to my crypto wallet and paste this address. Follow the instructions or whichever crypto wallet you're making use of, be it Trust Wallet or Binance or OKX or any wallet you're making use of. Just go there and paste the address following the instructions on how to place withdrawals from your wallet. Okay, now fund your account and receive it instantly is actually reflects within 2 minutes. You send it, it always reflects within 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. So that is it on that aspect. Now guys, to make more money from this site, you need to refer your friends. If you refer your friends to the site, you earn some commissions. Okay, you also earn some commissions for referring your friends. So let me quickly click on the team. Okay, so to refer your friends, you just have to tap on this to copy your invitation code link. Copy successfully. You now go and share it to your friends, and when you refer your friends, you earn referral commissions as well. Okay, so guys, another thing to take note of is the VIP levels. The VIP levels, there are different VIP levels on this platform. There are different VIP levels which you need to know. So if you want to know the amount you stand to earn when you know for any VIP you want to choose. So for the VIP one, you are purchasing VIP one with you're just to fund $3. Remember, you are giving $17. So you fund $3 to earn 0.5 USDT every single day by performing your daily task. Now for the VIP 2, your daily task is 2 tasks. The same thing with the VIP 1, but your daily profit is 1.91 USDT for the VIP 2, and you are funding. You have to join with $40. Remember, you are giving $17 registration bonus. So for the VIP 3, you are joining with $90 and with a daily profit of 6.0 USDT. And for the VIP 4, you are joining with $180. Remember, anyone you are joining, you are giving $17 registration bonus. So you just add something to it to complete the amount you are required to use to join any of the VIP. Okay, so you are joining this with $180, and your daily profit is 16.30 USDT every single day with a daily task, 2 daily tasks. Okay, so this is the VIP 5, VIP 6, VIP 7, VIP 8, VIP 9. VIP 1, VIP 9, you are joining with 13,380 USDT, 13,380 USDT. You have to join, and your daily profit is 2,676 USDT every single day, and you have to perform 5 tasks in a day. And as you can see, it's always easy task that you are to perform to make money. So guys, my balance should have reflected. My balance should be in Binance right now. So let me quickly go to Binance and see my balance in my Binance account, because the withdrawal I placed must have reflected in Binance right now. So guys, as you can see, the deposit of USDT is completed 3 minutes ago. So if I click on the arrow beside it right here, let's see. As you can see guys, 0.5 USDT withdrawn 3 minutes ago. All right, so right now guys, I quickly go back to the site. I don't think there is any more thing I want to show you guys. As you can see, I've got my money in Binance. So that is another withdrawal proof from this site. Do note, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do well to do your own research, because I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. If you are joining this channel for the first time, guys, please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Subscription is free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. It's just for you to always get notified each time I upload an update in this channel. So touch that subscribe button and subscribe. Smash it and subscribe immediately. Like this video. If you love the things I do in this channel, please like this video. I would love to see you guys in the next one. To register on this site, you need to click the very first link in the description box of this video. Leave your comments down there in the comment section. I do reply every single comment. Okay, so leave down your comments right there. I'd love to see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a great time.